guys, I am so glad to be here. I am here with the Commissioner of City of Dania Beach, Joyce Davis. Hello, hi Joyce, how you doing?
Hello Nelson, it is fantastic to be out here on a beautiful Saturday afternoon with the Trash Pirates. So excited.
Awesome, and I gotta tell you, we do a lot of cleanups. We go Broward, we go all the way up, and when we met the Commissioner, we were so awesome to know that she's so passionate about keeping the beaches pristine, and that's why we're here, because she has the same passion that we do. So it's truly an honor to work with you and to be partnered with you guys. And I know you also did your own little beach cleanup stations and things. Can you tell us about that a little bit?
So in the City of Dania Beach, we started a Dania Beach Pristine project, and what we want to do is have cleanup stations. We want to invite the entire community to come out to our beach, but as you do a walk up and down, grab a basket,
yes.
and just go up and down, and whenever you see a piece of trash, just pick it up, put it in the basket, and return it to our cleanup station. And that's what I really love about partnering with the Trash Pirates, is that you have that same passion for keeping our beaches clean by picking it up and finding little pieces of gold so that we can keep our beach pristine.
We're here for one more thing too here. We actually have a beach cleanup that we are going to be doing August the 10th. Okay, it is a back to school beach cleanup between 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock. We're going to be doing it here, right here at the City of Dania Beach, right next to the quarterdeck. So we encourage all of you guys to please, if you want to come in as a team, tell your organization, if your school, your company, to get involved. Reach out to us, and you can come as a team and come here on August the 10th on a Tuesday between 5 and 7. We are going to be here doing the beach cleanups. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about that?
I do, and I also want, it's a back to school cleanup. So we want you to show your school spirit. So if you want to wear your school shirt, or if you want to represent your organization, we want to know that even though we're all coming from different places and different organizations and different schools, we all share the same passion for keeping our beach pristine. And so the only thing I wanted to ask you, Nelson, is I want you to let the people know why this beach cleanup is different from any other beach cleanup.
Commissioner, this beach cleanup is going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is we're going to be concentrating on small pieces of plastic, such as something like this here. So basically what we're doing is, we don't want to, if we see something that is superficial on top of the sand, we'll go ahead and pick it up because it is plastic, it is trash. But mainly what we want to go is, we want to go inside and pick up this piece of plastic, small one. To you and me, this is a piece of plastic. To birds, marine life, this is a piece of bread. And what we're trying to do is, we're trying to take this plastic outside of our environment to prevent from the marine life to eat this. In addition to that, is that as this disintegrates and breaks down due to the elements, the sun, the salt, it breaks down into microplastic. And that is another problem that we have. Microplastic is something very small, 2 millimeter and smaller, 5'2", and what is to you and I, we can't see that, but the fish, they actually breathe their oxygen. As they do, the microplastic goes into their system, and then we go ahead and eat the fish. So it's actually all this plastic pollution that converts into microplastic is coming back to us, and we are eating the microplastic. So in this beach cleanup that we're doing August the 10th between 5 and 7, it's going to be, let's say, deep beach cleanup. We're going to concentrate a little bit more inside of the sand and pick up all the small plastic that is in there, and a lot of times we just walk by when we don't even see it. So that's what we're going to be concentrating, and that's the difference between this beach cleanup that we're going to do and a normal beach cleanup. And in addition to that, we have a machine that we have created, the Trash Pirates, to help us out with this, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. So this is our machine that basically what it does, it scoops the sand So I'm gonna turn it on for you real quick here. So that's what it does. So what he's doing is basically he's scooping all the sand. It goes down about an inch, and then all the sand goes back here. And whatever is plastic is gonna stay up here, okay? So we're actually gonna be using this as well, but we need you guys to come in as well and help us out retrieve this small piece of plastic. You know, another thing with this here is that we have animals, like the fish, the birds.
And our turtles. We are in turtle nesting season, and a lot of times these smaller plastics look like food for the turtles.
Exactly.
And so we want to make sure that we protect our wildlife, protect our marine life here, and clean up the smallest bits of plastic, because the turtles are going to start hatching, and we want to make sure that we're doing everything in our power to make sure they get to the sea safely.
Exactly. So again, we need all of you guys. Once again, it's going to be August the 10th between 5 and 7. We're all going to be here. We all need you. I want to, again, on behalf of the trash pirates, on behalf of everybody here, we would like to thank you for everything that you do. You have such amazing passion about our beaches, our ocean, our environment, and we want to thank you for everything that you do. It's truly a pleasure and honor to be part of you guys. So once again, Commissioner, thank you so much for everything that you do.
Thank you so much, Nelson. It is a pleasure and a privilege to share the same passion to keep our beach and environment pristine and clean for our future generations. So remember, it is a back-to-school beach cleanup on August 10th from 5 to 7 p.m. and we will be giving away backpacks with information on how to keep our beach pristine and protect our environment. So thank you for what you do, and together we will make a difference.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nelson.
Bye, guys.
Bye.